Ramah, my love, say your beauty na fire, beauty na fire. Ramah, my love, you're my heart desire, my heart desire.
Okay. You have become lazy in this mission. Where are the men? Why are they not coming to the temple of Azinga anymore?
Baba, please pardon me. You know I have been very committed in this mission. The issue
Script reading.
To the man on white gown. Young man, what do you want here?
Bro, everywhere don't change. Why una dey complain?
You dey talk as if Sapa no follow affect you. Country dey
Don't spoil.
For us, make your hope no reach that side. Make your hope no reach that side. Now people are fighting.
Man, they are fighting.
And boxers are going to use.
I know where they are boxers.
There you go.
They say go jump.
Who talk? Mimi.
So now who have a camera?
Hi.
Hi, mama.
Hi.
I go handle camera, but I no go get am well.
Now you go handle camera.
Mr. Leo. Hello.
This is me, Mr. Leo.
Yes.
Niger Delta Chief Priest.
Yes.
I am the only one, we are not two.
Yes.
So that's it. You got it. Don't got it, you forget it.
Yes.
Hey, man.
I want to watch you. We'll get you in the car.
What about the butcher and Malaysia don't have for you now, no one here.
How are you, man?
Come here. Who is inside that you want to go and see? Hi.
You're blushing. You're videoing me and you're blushing.
If I be cameraman, I go watch there. Rama.
Maybe you'll be playing anything at all.
Say hi.
Okay.
I don't want to produce a wala.
Tell me, Afana, why you cast her like that?
Why I no go cast her? Who can I number? We can I number?
Is it a lie? Is it like sister?
Easy. You're such a bully. Why are you bullying her? Hi people. We have come to the end of our script reading. Yes, we are shooting this afternoon and tomorrow. So we just finished doing our rehearsals. So we are getting ready. I will update you guys as soon as I can. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're seeing this video for the first time, please, my name is Ramah Pender. Subscribe to our channel, please.
Sure.
Don't mind this. It's because of the movie that we're going to shoot now. The job. It's a contemporary job, so I need to appear like this.
Like I say,
Bear with me. Hi people. We are up for another location.
Another location.
I just finished shooting a content for one comedy hub yesterday. Yes, I made a video. I will show you the video soon. I be now. Oh,
Like video.
we are going to one
I
interior
like
place
pictures.
like that to go and do this.
Why Ramah like
shoot.
video?
It's for content. We are going for this place is rough. I will show you people around.
Why Ramah likes video?
You say what?
We are going out for a shoot,
Yes.
and we just
very
decided to
short
take some photos and
Videos. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our video, my name is Ramah Pender. Subscribe to our channel. Like our
Subscribe,
video. Be commenting our video. Share our videos that we do not do anything bad.
You know what you go better? Send the answer.
Ready to.
God, this girl, you don't kill me. Please share our videos now. It's nice to give you all these updates. We are trying now. At least we make you happy, we keep you busy. We are trying to gather
Every
content.
day.
Even when we are with families and friends, we still try to give you content. We know family time is important. Hold it now. What's it?
My first set, hold the phone first.
Don't worry, I'll video you.
Give
Please, sure. I don't want to stand. You know, no one.
It's occasion, right? I thought you should video them.
Ah! Come on, buddy. You don't mark.
Yes, Monash.
God, I knew it. Just you blow him. Like you blow him. Now this let it go off was fine.
It is shiny.
Why they pour me sound now? What's this sub now?
You guys don't speak English.
What's this sub? Why they pour me sound? Oka, see make I tell you something for now. I don't know where your food is. You bring money. You bring money.
I give you 5,000, then I'm gonna give you.
Oka, pay free that one. Free that one. I don't want fix now. If you make me fix, they say make I go orange. I can't go orange. They say make I go orange. I can't go orange. Please don't press me like a man offense for you. Guys,
we are done for today. Yes, we did a short movie today, so we just finished.
I don't have.
We'll continue tomorrow. Bye. Please don't forget to comment, like
and
share. If you're seeing this video for the first time, my name is Ramah Pender, my swearing sister.
Praise
Please subscribe to our channel, please. Hi people, I miss her. She was not feeling but she's here. We are so happy. Thank you. We miss you more. What's this?
Chin chin.
Look at me.
You're making chin chin.
Hey, nice one.
Look how beautiful it is. The one is bright. Oh, it look.
Omo. I'm trying.
Extra nice.
For the cutting, Abi. Guys, after the shoot,
don't tire to bend down.
baby girl decided to bring flour for us to do chim chim. Isn't she lovely?
She's the cutest thing ever.
Opo say she just came. Oh, hey, Ami, well
Now
done.
baby girl is not feeling fine, but she came because she tried.
Good evening. I'm back from camp. Oh, more. This camp lasted for like, I think 7 days or 2 weeks. Ah, but this camp was stressful, but we survived. I have another shoot tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, Friday and Saturday. From there, I'll be going back to GS Abuja because we have another shoot from next week. Ooh. Camp was really, really stressful, but it's fine. We are back. I miss my girls. They are all still in camp. They'll move from GS Abuja tomorrow to the other shoot. I miss you too, my baby. Baby girl is jealous. I miss you more.
Ramah, my love, you're my heart desire, Ramah, my love.